For most Americans, living in San Diego would be a dream come true. But for those who have made that dream a reality, we understand that it comes with a heavy price tag. From the cost of living to the traffic and gas prices, the California lifestyle takes a heavy toll on the human body and psyche. Sometimes our best is just not good enough, and we need help maintaining our mental and physical health. That's when we turn to Dr. Leland.
We had a week left leg before. Bend your leg, pull your foot to your butt, please. Foot to your butt and pull. Fantastic. How much better is that? So much better. Inside here, pull with my hand. Here, pull. Good. Push to the outside, push out.
It was
Yep.
not ouchies
Yep.
like it was.
Up, lift up.
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, that didn't hurt as bad.
And is your back hurting when you're laying down?
No.
And how bad was your back when you're laying down before?
Oh my God, I couldn't even lay down.
Yeah,
Got
you
a
couldn't lay
pinched
down.
nerve.
Mm-hmm. And now?
Muscle spasms. Now
Yeah.
I feel almost normal.
Feeling normal. That's good.
Oh God, that's amazing.
Huge change. Arm up, push up, up. Good. Push up again. Good. Push up. Good.
Oh my God.
When we had your neck was
I couldn't even.
you couldn't even lift it up?
I couldn't do that.
Yeah.
No, I couldn't.
Chin down to your chest, look down, push down here, push down.
Oh, that's so much
Remember how weak that was, right?
Yeah, I
Yep.
couldn't do it.
Down, push down. Super
Oh
strong.
my
Good.
God.
Chin down, push down.
Did you do that?
Turn and push back. Good. Okay.
Wow.
Come up to your feet, walk around.
I'm a new person.
Take your body for a test drive.
I feel so
Walk,
much
try
better.
to see if you can walk normally. Walk as if you
Yeah,
didn't.
like no more ouchies. No more ouchies. So what's gonna hurt me?
You might feel some soreness in the neck and the back.
Okay.
Yeah, you might. Yeah.
Now, you know when someone cracks your back, what's the difference? Like yours felt totally specific.
Specific.
To like
Yeah, it's more specific.
a certain
Yeah.
part. and
Yes,
got
more
rid of-
specific.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
When they just crack your back,
It's
it just
general, yeah. And
it
being more
doesn't-
specific to what your body needs.
Oh,
And we can test. Remember how I said we are going to test
yes.
before and after?
Yes.
You saw all the things that weren't working properly, and now you're going to find the parts that
It's
actually
like a
starting to work
miracle.
better, right?
Yeah. Hurt me for so many years.
Mhm.
And the popping was like, oh my God, you saved my life.
Yeah, it's like,
And that was a little piece
yeah,
of the puzzle.
it was a big piece of the puzzle.
Yeah.
Big piece of the puzzle. You could have had that on for like 15 years.
Oh,
It's
I'm
just the beginning.
So excited.
Yeah, there's more to come.
Is there any way that I shouldn't move my neck or stretch
No,
so
in
that
fact,
I
I would-
hurt it more?
No, in fact, I want you to keep moving as much as possible.
Okay.
Okay? I mean,
Okay.
no, I don't want you to go run a marathon.
Right.
But
Yeah.
but I want you to keep moving. I want you
Okay.
to make sure you're drinking plenty of water.
Yes.
Tonight you're gonna sleep.
Drink a lot of
You're
water.
gonna sleep. If you feel like you got to crash tonight early,
Yeah.
listen to your body and crash
Yeah.
tonight.
Yes.
So your body's gonna continue healing in the next 24, 40, 72 hours. It's gonna keep shifting.
Okay.
So like I said, you might feel some soreness, but your body's gonna start to heal properly now.
Mm.
It's taken 15 years for you to get here. That's
Yes.
good. Now you're taking a huge step. Like, oh my gosh, I can actually start to do
Absolutely.
something.
Okay.
It's okay, Lee.
good.
Yeah, because we want to make sure we maintain.
Permanent treatment?
No, not permanent. No, don't. It's
Come on, I
no,
want to keep coming
no,
back.
you know,
This
it's
is the
yeah.
best thing
It's
ever.
don't don't look at it as treatment. Look at it as more like maintaining your health.
Oh, okay. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're maintaining your
My
health.
happy place.
Your happy
This
place.
is
Yes.
my happy
This
place.
is happy place. Yes,
this
it
is my
is.
happy place.
Yeah, you're maintaining your health. It's
I
not
found
about.
it.
It's not treatment. It's
Oh my
maintaining
God,
your
I
health.
totally have something.
Yeah. This is my new friend Michelle.
Hi.
Hi. What's your experience like so far?
Unbelievable. Amazing.
I want to.
Stay here forever. Never leave. Feel as good as I do right at this moment for the rest of my life.
What was one you had? What kind of pain?
Everything. Back pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, trouble walking, running, everything. And now I can actually move my arm further and I could reach the floor. And I couldn't reach before.
Yay!
Yay! I'm so
Yay.
excited. Thank you.